Yardi Breeze is a popular property management software, but before you commit, there are a few things you need to know. It's often compared to other real estate management solutions like Buildium and Appfolio, but how does it stack up? Let's dive into the 12 key points that will help you decide if it's the right choice for your business. First thing, Yardi Breeze offers an intuitive user interface that is easy to navigate. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't overwhelm you with a complex dashboard. But with simplicity comes limitations. Some users feel it doesn't have the depth of features seen in higher-end software like Appfolio, especially for large-scale operations. Next thing, Yardi Breeze offers pricing that is competitive with other solutions. For smaller property management businesses, it can be a great deal. However, as you grow, you may find that you need to upgrade to more advanced packages, which may end up being more expensive than you initially expected. The third thing, it's cloud-based. This means you can access your data from anywhere, which is crucial for property managers on the go. But you're limited by internet connectivity, and this could be an issue in areas with unreliable service. Fourth thing, Yardi Breeze integrates with a variety of other software and systems, which can be a major advantage when you're working with other tools for accounting or communication. But the integration options are more limited compared to competitors like Buildium, which offers a wider range of integrations with popular third-party tools. Next thing, Yardi Breeze includes built-in accounting features, including financial reporting and automated invoice processing. These are great tools for staying organized, but some users feel that it lacks the sophistication of other systems that provide more advanced accounting features. The sixth thing, Yardi Breeze allows for online payments, making rent collection easier. Tenants can pay via credit card, ACH, or debit, which can reduce the hassle for property managers. However, the processing fees for certain payment types may add up over time, something to consider if you're managing multiple properties. The seventh thing, customer support. Yardi Breeze provides good customer service with live chat, email, and phone support. However, response times can be slower compared to competitors like Appfolio, where users report more rapid assistance. Eighth thing, the mobile app. Yardi Breeze's mobile app is convenient for managing your properties on the go, but it isn't as feature-rich as other apps in the market. Some users report limited functionality compared to what you can do on the web version. The ninth thing, tenant and lease tracking. Yardi Breeze offers a robust system for managing tenant information and leases, but some users feel it lacks customization options compared to platforms like Buildium. Customizing fields and reports is a bit more rigid than you might expect. The 10th thing, Yardi Breeze's marketing tools. The software helps you advertise properties, but the marketing options are not as advanced as other platforms. With Buildium, for example, you get more detailed syndication features for reaching a wider audience. The 11th thing, Yardi Breeze offers a clean, easy-to-use interface, making onboarding fast and straightforward. If you're new to property management software, you won't be stuck trying to figure out a steep learning curve. But if you've used other software with more robust features, you might find it lacks some advanced functionalities. Finally, it's worth mentioning that while Yardi Breeze offers a lot of benefits, it's not the best option for every property manager. If you're running a large-scale operation or need extensive features, you may outgrow it fairly quickly. In conclusion, Yardi Breeze is a solid option for smaller property management companies or landlords who need simplicity and ease of use at an affordable price. However, if you want a better option with more advanced features and flexibility, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It might be the perfect fit for your growing business.